Hello everyone, my name's Mike, and here at Tech Car Moon we uncover tech at home and in video. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. But today I have the KASA KL50 filament smart bulb, so let's uncover it right now. TP-Link, who are the company behind KASA, make a whole load of products and are super established in the tech world. KASA is what I would call their lineup of smart products for the home. They make pretty much everything from smart bulbs like this to home surveillance cameras. Now with all their products, they require no hub to get started. All that they use is your Wi-Fi network to work. The bulb I have here is the KASA Filament bulb, which again requires no hub to get set up and works with both Android and iOS through the KASA Smart app. Now I will just say that both TP-Link / KASA Smart unfortunately didn't send this product out to me. I actually bought it because I was really intrigued by this sort of segment, and just let you know, like with all my reviews, my thoughts will be mine alone. You know, I'd never get involved with obviously companies and reviews. So let's just jump straight into the unboxing. Let's grab the knife and let's crack this open. So I can already see the filament bulb just inside. Very, very nice E27 fitment. Okay. So we've got, you know, the quick start guide, which is basically just downloading the apps and pairing it all up. We've also got some safety information as well as a quick start guide just over here. So uncovering the spec, this delivers a 2700 Kelvin soft white light and has a brightness luminance of 800, which is really bright for this type of light. Now this is a 7-watt bulb and has a warm up time of less than a second, which is really quick for a filament bulb. Now for those who care, the CRI is only around 80, but really you shouldn't be using this to light your subject anyway. So let's connect up this bulb and see how easy it is. Okay, so we're gonna just install the bulb right now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the KASA app, just create an account, and then we're gonna press and add a new device. We're gonna go into smart lights. Then we want the filament LED bulb, so tap on that. All right, so now it says screw it in. So we're gonna screw that in and then turn it on. Oh, that's bright, so I'm just gonna keep it out of frame. We're gonna press next, and as you can see, it's gonna start blinking. So it's already done that, so we'll press next. It's now gonna try and establish a connection. There you go, now it's gonna ask me to enter in my Wi-Fi, so we're just gonna go and do that. There you go, so I've just entered in my Wi-Fi password. And there you go. So we can add this device. So let's just call it, well, let's just call it the living room lamp, as it suggests over there. Press next. And there you go. So we can kind of customize the icon. Let's just select that one. Press save. And there you go. It's now all configured. So sounds good. It's saying we need to now update the firmware. There you go. It's just done a flash. And there you go, it's now up to date. So we'll press OK on that one, and if we tap that, there you go, it's now off. If we tap that again, it's now on. Let's check out some of the settings. So let's get started, and we can change the intensity of the light. So put it 100%, there you go, very, very bright. All right, we can obviously use the power on and off. Very, very responsive, very, very quick. Let's just use the dimmer. There you go. So it's controlled very nicely. Let's put it up to 100%. There you go. So that looks really, really good. As you can see, we've got our presets. We can add schedules through the app as well, so we can enter a schedule if we want to turn it on, and we can also check out the usage. So obviously I've only been using this for about 2 minutes and barely consumed any energy on it so far, but obviously it's great because it also gives you the comparison on a 60-watt bulb as well. Now this bulb is dimmable, but only via the app or by using the voice assistant. Don't use a dimmer switch with a bulb like this. Now speaking of voice assistants, this is compatible with the Amazon or the Google Home Assistant, but unfortunately no Apple HomeKit support. TP-Link, weirdly enough, did announce that they were going to start rolling out Apple HomeKit support for their products about a year ago, but then in August of 2019, they said that they weren't going to be adding HomeKit for their KASA smart plug, which isn't a good sign, especially at this stage, because right now there is still no HomeKit support across their products. So if you are a HomeKit user, I would recommend that you would give this one a miss. Just like a lot of smart lights, they do have a grouping feature, meaning that you can combine this with your other KASA smart devices to allow for simple home grouping functions. And just like their like other bulbs, they also have schedules that you can set, like the E-Light one and stuff like that. I really like the fact that I can monitor the energy usage from this bulb through the app, which is really nice as the Philips Hue lights don't offer this. So let's do a brightness test, starting from 1% all the way up to 100%. Set my KASA light to 25%.
Sure, setting KASA light brightness to 25%.
So this is my favorite brightness as it still is visible with the filament lights. However, it's not so bright that you can't really see what this bulb is, if that makes sense. We'll set the KASA light bulb to 50%.
Sure, setting KASA light brightness to 50%.
Set the KASA light bulb to 75%.
Sure, setting KASA light brightness to 75%.
Set the KASA light bulb to 100%.
Sure, setting KASA light brightness to 100%.
There you go, that is at its brightest setting, so very bright as you can see. So would I recommend this light bulb? I would say that if you're not already invested in the Ye-Light or the Philips Hue ecosystem, and you're not looking to use the Apple HomeKit support, then I really would, as you don't have to worry about a hub to get started. They're really bright, easy to use, and if you want to expand from this light to other home sort of smart gear, then KASA offer a lot from just one company. The KASA system itself is very intuitive, and they have a plethora of products that you can build out your smart home with. And this particular bulb is cheaper than the Philips Hue and Ye-Light equivalent, obviously depending on where you shop. There we have it. If you've enjoyed this video, please drop me a like, that really helps me out. If you want to see more content from me, then hit that subscribe button and also ring that bell as you'll get notified for any new videos. And if you haven't already, please follow me on Twitter and Instagram at TechCarMoon, and also check out the affiliated links down in the description below if you want to support the channel. Anyway, everyone, look after yourselves and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.